How to use coins on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use coins on AliExpress. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the AliExpress on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, there you can just tap on the coins icon, which can be seen at the top left side of the screen, to check your coins. And with that, you can collect coins by daily check-ins, playing mini games, or completing tasks inside the app. And here, once you have collected the money, then how you can use it is when shopping for a product. Let's say if you're shopping a product and there you hit to the buy now option, and with that, on the check-ins you will see the option to use coins or coin discounts. So there, just tap on it, and once you do that, during checkout the app will automatically apply your available coins as a discount on eligible items. And that's it. That's how you can use coins on AliExpress. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.